नमस्ते मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, हाउ आर यू ऑल? होप यू ऑल आर फाइन. Okay ma, today we are going to start a new lesson. Part 15 Naukar. Part 15 Naukar. Naukar means servant. Okay, I am going to read the lesson. While reading, please listen carefully. Okay. आश्रम में गांधी कई ऐसे काम भी करते थे जिन्हें आम तौर पर नौकर चाकर करते थे. In ashram, he was staying in an ashram, right? So who is we are telling about who? You can see from the picture that we are telling about Mahatma Gandhi, our father of our nation, right? So he was doing so many works. He didn't think about anything. He will not expect anyone, and he will do whatever the servants are doing. That work even he will do. Naukar chakar means servants. Generally what the servants are doing, that work this Gandhi also will do. जिस ज़माने में वह बैरिस्ट्री से हज़ारों रुपये कमाते थे, फ्रॉम बैरिस्ट्री हाउ मच रुपये ही वॉज गेटिंग, इवन ही व्हाट ही विल डू, उस समय भी वह प्रतिदिन सुबह अपने हाथ से चक्की पर आटा पीसा करते थे. भाई ही देन इवन ही यूज टू व्हाट टू ग्राइंड द चक्की मीन्स ग्राइंडिंग मिल. आटा पीसना to grind. So when he was working as a wakil, he was working as a lawyer, then even he used to do in the morning, he used to grind the wheat and all. चक्की चलाने में कस्तूरबा और उनके लड़के भी हाथ बंटाते थे for grinding that grinding mill. His wife Kasturba Gandhi and also his sons also will help him. इस प्रकार घर में रोटी बनाने के लिए महीन या मोटा आटा वे खुद पीसा लेते थे. फॉर द हाउ मच wheat and all it is needed in the home, that every wheat Gandhi only used to grind and give. साबरमती आश्रम में भी गांधी ने पिसाई का काम जारी रखा. That same thing he was continuing in the साबरमती आश्रम also. वह चक्की को ठीक करने में कभी कभी घंटों मेहनत करते थे. For see, before grinding the things and all, we used to make ready the grinder and all, right? So that will also take more time for him to make ready the grinding mill. एक बार एक कार्यकर्ता ने कहा कि आश्रम में आटा कम पड़ गया है. कार्यकर्ता means employee. One employee of ashram, he is coming and telling to Gandhi that atta became less. So what he is doing, by hearing that itself, आटा पिसवाने में हाथ बंटाने के लिए गांधी फौरन कर खड़े हुए हैं. By hearing that, suddenly he was thinking to help him, and he stood up from there to help him to make आटा. गेहूँ पीसने से पहले उसे बीन कर साफ करने पर वह जोर देते थे. Before grinding the wheat, gehu means wheat. Before grinding the wheat, we have to wash it properly, right? So we have to take the unwanted things from that and we have to wash it. So that also he will take more time to do that one. कौपिंदारी इस महान व्यक्ति को अनाज बीनते देकर उनसे मिलने वाले लोग हैरात में पड़ जाते हैं. He is wearing loin cloth, right? Kaupindari means loin cloth, those who is wearing loin cloth. Then even he is a very big person, great person. So those people who are coming and meeting him, by seeing that he is grinding the wheat and all, they will feel so surprised. हैरत में पड़ जाते थे. They will feel so surprised to see that this great person is grinding the wheat and all. बाहरी लोगों के सामने शारीरिक मेहनत का काम करते गांधी को शर्म नहीं लगती थी. He never feels shame that others are seeing that he is doing physical hard work and all. He never feels shame on that. एक बार उनके पास कॉलेज के कोई छात्र मिलने आए. One day what happening? One college student came and meet him. So उनको अंग्रेज़ी भाषा के अपने ज्ञान का बड़ा गर्व था. He has the feel that he knows English very well and he feels so proud on that person. गांधी से बातचीत के अंत में वे बोले. Well, he was talking to गांधी जी and at the end he is telling, बापू यदि मैं आपको कोई सेवा कर सकूं तो कृपया मुझे अवश्य बताएं. बापू, if you want any help from me means please tell to me. Okay, like that he is telling. उन्हें आशा था कि बापू उन्हें कुछ लिखने पढ़ने का काम देंगे. He wished that Bapu will give some work to read or write. Like that he thought in his mind. But what happened? Gandhi ने उनके मन की बात ताट ली. Gandhi understood what he was telling. Then he told that student, अगर आपके पास समय हो तो इस थाली के गेहूँ बीन डालिए. If you have much time, please wash this wheat which is there in this vessel. Like that he is telling to that student. आगंतुक बड़ी मुश्किल में पड़ गए. आगंतुक मीन्स विजिटर. He is the visitor of Gandhiji. So he became so in a great trouble because he can't say anything to Gandhiji, right? Whatever Gandhi is telling, he has to accept it, but he can't anything he can't tell. So he don't have any choice. लेकिन अब तो कोई चारा नहीं था. No choice he have. एक खंडेतर गेहूँ बीनने के बाद वह थक गए. After 1 hour he became so tired and गांधी से विदा मांगकर चल दिए. Getting permission from Gandhi and he was going from there. कुछ वर्षों तक गांधी ने आश्रम के फंडार का काम संभालने की मदद दी. He was for years and all Gandhi was only taking care of the store in the ashram. सवेरे की प्रार्थना के बाद वे रसोई घर में जाकर सब्जियां छीलते थे. After the prayer in the morning, he used to go to kitchen and he used to peeling the vegetables and all. रसोई घर या फंडारे में अगर वे कहीं गंदगी या मकड़ी का जाला देख पाते तो if he is seeing any गंदगी means dirt. If he is seeing any dirt or मकड़ी का जाल means spider web. If he is seeing any spider web means he never allow that and he will call his friends and he will clean that and all. उन्हें सब्जी फल और अनाज के पौष्टिक गुणों का ज्ञान था. He has the knowledge of the nutritional properties of these vegetables, these fruits and also the cereals and all. एक बार एक आश्रम वासी ने बिना धोए आलू काट दिए. One day what happening? Ashram, those who is staying in ashramavasi. Ashramavasi, what he is doing, he is cutting the potato without washing. By seeing that Gandhi, what he is doing, गांधी ने उसे समझाया कि आलू और नींबू को बिना धोए नहीं काटना चाहिए. He is making him to understand that you should not cut potato and नींबू without washing. Like that he is telling to that person. एक बार एक आश्रमवासी को कुछ ऐसे केले दिए गए जिनके छिलकों पर काले छत्ते पड़ गए थे. What happening one day? What happening? One ashramavasi is coming and he is giving some bananas which is having black rashes on it, because black rashes on it. So by seeing that उसने बहुत बुरा माना. By seeing that, that person became so sad that Gandhi is giving this one to me like that. तब गांधी ने उसे समझाया कि ये जल्दी पच जाते हैं. Gandhi told him this one will digest easily. This one will digest easily and इस खास तौर पर इसलिए दिए गए हैं कि तुम्हारा हाजमा कमज़ोर है. हाजमा मीन्स हाजमा digestion. Your digestion is very weak, so that only I have given this one because it will digest very easily. गांधी आश्रमवासियों को अक्सर स्वयं ही भोजन परोसते थे. To आश्रमवासियों मंडल, this Gandhi only will himself he will serve for the people those who are there in the ashram. He likes to do that one. इस कारण वे बेचारे बेस्वाद उबली हुई चीज़ों के विरुद्ध कुछ कहीं भी नहीं पाते थे. For because of that, what happening? Gandhi is serving, and if it is not good and if it is tasteless means even they never open their face because they couldn't open their mouth, right? Because he is only preparing and he is preparing. Everyone are preparing, but he is only serving. They couldn't say anything. दक्षिण अफ्रीका की एक जेल में वे सैकड़ों कैदियों को दिन में 2 बार भोजन परोसने का कार्य कर भी चुके थे. What happened in Dakshin Africa when he was in jail? There also he was serving for thousands of people in the jail. Thousands of prisoners, those who are in the jail, he used to serve for that persons. आश्रम का एक नियम था कि सब लोग अपने बर्तन खुद साफ करें. One of the rule of ashram is that they have to wash their own vessels. रसोई के बर्तन बारी बारी से कुछ लोग दल बांध कर धोते थे रसोई के बर्तन द kitchen that eating dishes and all they themselves have to wash, but the cooking things and all na they will make they will keep us a team and they used to wash that one. So one day what happening, एक दिन गांधी ने बड़े बड़े बर्तनों पतीलों को खुद साफ करने का काम अपने ऊपर लिया. One day what happening, big पतीलों means vessels. He is taking big vessels and coming and he took the responsibility to wash that everything. इन पतीलों की पेंदी में खूब खालीक रही थी. पेंदी means bottom. In that vessel's bottom and all what he means, खालीक means that dark, that sticky things and all. When if it is boiling more means that at the bottom of that vessel it will be very smoke black is there na, that one. So that was there, so that they have to wash very very hardly it has to wash. So राख भरे हाथों से वही एक पतीले को खूब ज़ोर से रगड़ने में लगे हुए थे. राख भरे हाथों से. Before and all we used to wash the vessels with the ashes. You can ask your parents and all. It is a very good thing for washing the vessels and all. It is a very good dishwash, ashes and all. So that ashes they used to wash. So this Gandhiji was washing that vessel with ashes and जोर से रगड़ने में लगे हुए थे. He was washing that very hardly. That time what happening, तभी कस्तूरबा वहाँ आए. तब suddenly कस्तूरबा came. उन्होंने पतीलों को पकड़ लिया और बोली, she catched that vessel and she is telling, यह काम आपका नहीं है. This is not your work. इसे करने को बहुत से लोग हैं. Here so many people are there to do this one. This is not your work, like that she was telling. गांधी को लगा कि उनकी बात मान लेने में ही बुद्धिमानी है. Gandhi understood that I have to accept what she is telling because she is respecting her wife like that. So he accepted what she was telling and she gave the responsibility to her and he was going from there. ये चुपचाप कस्तूरबा को उन बर्तनों की सफाई सौंपकर चले गए. बर्तन एकदम चमकते न हो तब तक गांधी को संतोष नहीं होता था. If it is not brightening, if it is not showing glowing means Gandhi won't feel happy. So the vessels and all should be bright, then only he likes. So एक बार जेल में उनको जो मदद कर दिया गया था उसके काम से असंतुष्ट होकर उन्होंने बताया था कि वे खुद कैसे लोहे के बर्तनों को भी मांझ कर चांदी सा चमकता सकते हैं. One day what happening, he is a famous person, a great person, right? So they used to give helping people for them to do the cooking, everything and all. So Gandhi also got one helper. So but he is not happy with that person and he was telling him that I can wash the iron vessels and all and I will make it as much as glow like a silver vessel, like that he is telling to that person. That much clean and tidy person only Gandhiji. Everything he needs, everything should be perfect. That is not like play and all. He will give importance for each and everyone and he will give he needs everything perfect. Okay ma, this much only today. Remaining we will learn the next class. That's all for today. धन्यवाद मेरे प्यारे बच्चों.